Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a full tutorial on how to change the face used in Cameo Selfies in Snapchat. Cameo Selfies allow you to create fun and personalized animations. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Snapchat profile. Step 3. From your profile, scroll down to Cameos. Once there, tap on Change Cameo Selfie to begin the process. Step 4. Position your camera until it captures your face. Make sure you're well lit and in a clear view of the camera. Step 5. Tap on Capture My Cameo to take a photo of your face. Ensure that your entire face is within the frame and tap on the capture button to take the selfie. Now, Snapchat will use this new selfie as the face for your Cameo animations. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the face used in Cameo Selfies in Snapchat and create personalized animations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.